Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best electric air dusters on Amazon. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5 is the CCV Compressed Air Duster, a budget-friendly powerhouse that punches way above its weight. With a 150,000 RPM motor and 180 grams of blowing force, this little dynamo is perfect for everyday cleaning tasks, keyboards, PC fans, camera lenses, even drying your dog after a bath. Yes, really. It comes with 3 adjustable speed settings, so whether you're dusting fragile electronics or blasting crumbs out of your car seats, you've got the right power level. Now, let's talk battery life. This thing runs for 100 minutes on a single charge thanks to its USB-C fast charging. No more waiting around for it to power up. And at just 315G, it's so lightweight you can toss it in your backpack and take it anywhere. The anti-slip grip ensures you won't drop it mid-blast. And the included cleaning brush helps you tackle sticky dust that airflow alone can't handle. But here's the real selling point. It's eco-friendly. Unlike disposable air cans that run out in seconds and harm the environment, this is a one-time purchase that saves you money long-term. If you want a reliable, affordable air duster that gets the job. At number 4, we've got the VASSON Cordless Air Duster. The compressed air duster features a powerful brushless motor reaching up to 260,000 RPM, delivering a maximum wind speed of 45 mph and strong wind pressure of 260 grain, with 3 adjustable speed settings for versatile cleaning. It includes 3 nozzles, 1 brush, and a storage bag, making it suitable for cleaning keyboards, computer hosts, air vents, car parts, sofa crumbs, pet hair, and more, as well as inflating and cooling tasks. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, its mini portable design fits easily in a pocket, offering an eco-friendly, reusable alternative to disposable air cans. The device supports fast Type-C charging, fully charging in 3 hours for up to 150 minutes of use on the lowest setting. It incorporates intelligent high-temperature protection with a liquid silicone handle, operating safely between 10 degrees C to plus 45 degrees C, and is activated by a 3-second press. Note: do not operate while charging to avoid short circuits. The unit is not waterproof. This air duster combines efficient cleaning, porta. At number 3, the electric air duster features a powerful turbo fan spinning at 330,000 RPM, delivering wind pressure of 350 G and wind speeds up to 150 mph to effectively remove dust particles. This versatile, cordless, rechargeable compressed air blower is ideal for cleaning PCs, keyboards, cars, and various indoor and outdoor surfaces, replacing disposable air cans for a more eco-friendly and cost-efficient solution. Its compact, handheld design makes it portable and convenient for use on the go, including travel and camping. The duster includes a new sliding mode with 3 adjustable gear settings and a button mode for precise control and ease of use. Designed for long-term durability, it offers powerful, efficient cleaning for electronics and automobile care, while reducing waste associated with traditional canned air. At number 2, the CCV Compressed Air Duster is a powerful, rechargeable cordless blower featuring an advanced brushless motor that reaches up to 180,000 RPM with a maximum blowing force of 280 grime and wind speed of 52 mph. It offers 3 adjustable speed settings to effectively clean keyboards, PC components, and other electronic devices by clearing dust and debris from tight spaces. The device includes 2 interchangeable nozzles, a tapered nozzle for concentrated airflow perfect for detailed cleaning, and a round nozzle suitable for inflating items like air mattresses and boats. Powered by dual 3000 mAh batteries, it supports 10W fast USB Type-C charging with a 2.5-hour charge time and can run up to 100 minutes on the lowest speed. Safety features include temperature protection at 150 days and short-circuit protection to ensure battery longevity. At number 1, this cordless electric air duster is built with durable aerospace aluminum alloy and features robust alloy fan blades for long-lasting, efficient airflow. Powered by a high-speed 360,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers airflow up to 52 ms, providing superior cleaning compared to traditional compressed air dusters. It offers 4 adjustable speed settings, from 15 ms for delicate tasks like lens cleaning to turbo mode at 52 ms for heavy-duty dust removal. Weighing only 325 g, it is portable and versatile, ideal for cleaning, camping, barbecue, fire boosting, and more. The 6,000 mAh battery charges via USB-C in 2.5 hours, offering runtimes of 60 minutes on low speed to 10 minutes on turbo mode. A built-in flashlight with bright, dim, and SOS modes enhances usability in low light or emergency situations. For safe use, charge only with a 5V 2.5A adapter, avoid overcharging, and do not use on wet or sticky dust. The purchase includes lifetime after-sales support,